Hey, what's up, everybody? I got my little kiddo
Hello.
finally in the video with me. It's been a while since you did a video for me. I just had a bag of him pleading like, buddy, we're going to Disney World, and at the shooting of this video in 3 weeks, right at 3 weeks, we're 22 days away. We went back in March. You had a lot of fun, right?
Yeah.
We thought a once in a lifetime deal. Now we're going twice in 1 year. We may not go back the next couple of years for another couple of years, but hey. So pulling out all the stops, we're gonna have some fun, and we're gonna go be there for like 2 days. But I wanted to buy something, so we get. I don't know if anybody has ever get online. They Instagram, Facebook, and all this stuff, but it's Oswald and Sons, established in 2021. They got hats, they got shirts, they got bags, they got stickers, and all this stuff. Casey Corner, all this type stuff. But I seen this bag. Really wanted to get. Yes, it was $60, $65. Would have cost me about $70, but I had a code for like 20% off or something like that. I had $60 even, and the shipping on it was quick. I ordered it like Thursday. Here it is, Monday. So we had a less than a week turnaround. It says about 5 days shipping. So, but I haven't looked at it yet. So I'm kind of curious on how good it looks. So if you guys have ever wanted to know what this bag looks like, I'm going to show you, and we're going to get our reaction to it. Like, say, you always worry about buying stuff online and not knowing how it looks. Ain't that right? Yep. He's talkative today, folks.
Yeah.
All right, let's open it up. Help me out, bud. All right. First off, there's two of these right there. I think they say, let's see, it's got the logo on the back. It says, thank you for shopping with us. We hope our products brings you one step closer to yesterday, all while embracing the excitement of tomorrow. Our goods are made with high quality materials and printed locally in Florida. Here's to moving forward and always remembering how we got here. Sincerely, Oswald and Sons. P.S. For long-term magic, be sure to turn garments inside out, machine wash code, and tumble dry low. So they sent two of them in there. They might have mistakenly done that. Luke, I will let you hold on to that good stuff. But since we're going back to Disney, I want to buy this. So go ahead and pull it out of the bag. Kind stuff. Oh. All right. First off, it's another plastic. You see that little brown? Oh my gosh! I'm excited to see it. I can be a little tightwad sometime and I don't want to spend the money unless I'm going on trips. What do you think about the feel of it so far?
Good.
Good. Kind of heavy duty, ain't it? I'm curious to see how big this bag is too. Look at that. So this is why I got it. Off to Disney again. I mean, we had to get it. I had to get it for us to put our clothes in and everything because we are off to Disney again. So, but look, what do you think about the material?
I actually really like it.
It's a pretty heavy duty material, I think. It's a kind of army style to me.
Yeah.
But like say, you see how wide it is there. It's got a little pocket in the back, but it's got the printed logo right there. Off to Disney again. Oswald and Sons. So zipper across the top. Like say, let's see here. Oh, and here's something else that's neat. on the sides, you can unbuckle it to make it even bigger. So that's pretty cool. Look at that. It's about 2 people wide. So I like that. If you need more room, you can expand. So get these little leather right here. The zipper's got leather on it. Nice little handle. So open this thing up. I like the zipper. Zipper's nice and smooth. I'll get you to hold on to this. It comes with another strap to throw it over your shoulder strap. And like I say, look how much room. Hey, hold this open a little bit. Help me out. You see how much room you can put all the stuff in there. So look how you like that.
Yeah.
So this is easily, I could stick my bag, our bag that we took last time, in here. And this is going to be plenty of room for my clothes and your clothes to go off to Disney again. So let me see this. So I'm going to open this up. Try this out. So I like the little clamps on it, hooks. So put that there. I'll stretch it across right here. I'm going to do it right, which it always does that. All right. So look, if I could get you to stand up. So you see over the shoulder and how wide, see how wide it is. Stretch it across from that side to that side. Look how wide that is. And so much room. Like say, a lot of room. And that's what I really like about it. It's this room. I'm impressed. You go, Luke, go ahead and sit back down. All right, Luke, what do you think of it?
I really like it.
Do you think it's worth the money? And that was like $60.
A little bit less.
You think bags are expensive. So the good thing about this is we're always going on a couple of trips, about 2-3 trips a year. So I can always take this and always mark the memory of us going to Disney again. And every time we go to Disney, off to Disney again. But I like how smooth the zipper is. I like the fact that I can kind of, so there's another strap here. You can do it like that. We clamp it on this side and that side there, so it can kind of go sideways. So that might actually be a little bit easier to do it like that. And you can adjust the strap to be able to let it out. And I like the fact that I can make it smaller if I need to. There it is. Look, don't look too excited now. He's over here, Dad, can I get done with the video? I want to go play some video games, Daddy. But look, do you look forward to going back to Disney?
Yeah.
Me too. I can't wait. All right, guys, if you're impressed, if you like the bag, let me know. Either way, let me know in the comments. Have you guys bought anything from Oswald and Sons? If you have, let me know what you think about their shirts. If you got shirts, hats, stickers, or anything, just let me know. I'm definitely impressed with the bag. So I think I will definitely buy more from this company. Now I want to get a hat. I want to get a hat in, but I won't get the hat in time for Disney. I just bought this one, but I like it. It's going to be a good travel bag for us on our trips, especially to Disney World. down in Orlando. What's your favorite ride at Disney World?
Mount Everest.
Mount Everest at Animal Kingdom. What ride you hated the most?
Galaxy.
Yeah, Guardians. It made him sick. Guardians made him sick on the ride. So, but I hope we get to do it again. That'd be all about it. You got anything to say to him? Got anything? What are your thoughts on the bag?
I really like the bag, but we can't forget this one thing.
What can we not forget?
Like
it, subscribe,
hit that bell,
bing,
comment, share.
Man, you got it down path. You don't do this with me that much, but you still got it down path, don't you?
Yeah.
Hey, we're having fun in the Carver family. But Luke, thanks for being in the video with me today. It's been great. I know a lot of our followers, they want to see more Lucas father and son time. They just been seeing me. They always ask, how's your kid doing? And here we are. All right, guys, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Love you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I say, let us know what you think about the bag. Off to Disney again. And go check Upside Down. Oh, that was right. Here we go. Where I got it at on Instagram and everything. OswaldandSons.com at Oswald and Sons. So I'm impressed. I'm glad I went ahead and bought it. I usually like buying stuff that I see in person, but it holds up, and it's kind of like, I love the material on it. Kind of like a campy material, army style material. So hopefully it lasts us for a long, long time. But appreciate you guys watching. What else should we say, Luke? What else? In the words of the Coach Plays,
Peace.
peace.